The practice of whitening teeth has grown increasingly fashionable in recent times since more and more individuals strive for an attractive, white smile. It doesn't matter if it's to celebrate a special event, boost confidence, or to keep your mouth healthy and hygiene, tooth treatment for whitening are in great demand. What is the price of whitening your teeth, and do you think it's worth investing in it? In this short video, we'll look at the various options for teeth whitening, the associated expenses, as well as the factors you need to take into consideration when choosing if the option of teeth whitening is for you. The price of teeth whitening can differ based on the procedure chosen as well as the specialist or dentist who is performing the procedure. There are generally three primary types of whitening options available: professional, at-home, and the over-the-counter options. Professional teeth whitening tends to be the most costly option because it requires a trip to a dentist or a dental specialist who uses professional-grade bleaching agents to get the results you want. It can range between $500 and $1,000 or more, based on the extent of discoloration as well as the amount of time needed. Teeth whitening kits at home are an option that is more cost-effective and cost between $20 and $100 based on the type of brand and quality of the agent. The kits usually include strips or trays which are filled with whitener gel that is used for a specific duration of time every day. Although at-home kits are efficient, they might not offer the same amount of outcomes as professional treatments and might take longer to get the shade you want in white. The over-the-counter products for whitening teeth are the least expensive alternative, with prices that range between $5 and $50 for strips, whitening toothpaste, or pen. They are available in supermarkets, drugstores, and pharmacies. They are available at home, without the need to visit a dentist. Although over-the-counter treatments can be beneficial for moderate to mild discoloration, they might not be as durable and long-lasting as treatments from a professional. If you are considering the expense of whitening your teeth, it is important to consider the possible dangers and adverse effects that can be triggered by the procedure. Although teeth whitening is typically thought to be safe, there could be some risk involved like sensitive teeth, gum irritation, or even harm to enamel if the bleaching agent isn't properly used. You must adhere to the directions provided by the product for whitening and seek the advice of a dentist or a dental specialist if you notice any negative consequences. Alongside the expense of the procedure itself, it is possible to consider additional factors to take into consideration in deciding whether teeth whitening is worthwhile. In particular, certain insurance policies may pay for the expense of professional bleaching if they believe it to be medically required, for instance, to remove stains caused by treatments or medications. Furthermore, certain dentists might provide financing or payment alternatives to make tooth whitening more affordable to clients. In the end, the choice to go through with teeth whitening is an individual decision that must be based on your personal goals, finances, as well as your oral health requirements. If you're considering bleaching, you should talk to a dentist or a dental professional in order to figure out the most appropriate treatment for you, and also to talk about possible costs and advantages of this procedure. Whiter, beautiful teeth will boost confidence and boost your oral well-being, which is why it's worthwhile looking into your options to achieve an even, brighter smile. The cost of teeth whitening may vary according to the method you choose as well as the company that performs the procedure. If you decide to go with the professional method or an at-home kit or a prescription-only product, it is important to think about the possible risks and consequences of teeth whitening and the insurance coverage and payment alternatives that are available. In the end, your decision to go through with teeth whitening needs to be determined by your personal objectives and financial budget and the recommendations from a dentist. Bright, white teeth will have an impact on self-confidence and confidence. It's a good idea to explore the options to achieve an even whiter smile.